Hello, my name is Olga Lucia. I am a SENA's student.
Hello, my name is Maria Cristina Barrera. I am a pensioned.
We are friends. Tell us about yourself.
My name is Maria Cristina Barrera. I have a daughter who is a biologist and a granddaughter who is 16 years old. My family lives in Bogota. I am friend with Olga Lucia. I have lived with her in Girardot for 20 years. I am a technician in electronics and accounting. I am pensioned.
Maria Cristina, what motivates you?
I am motivated all the time. It motivates me to observe people, to have medium and long-term projects. My family and the people who go through my life motivate me a lot.
What are your hobbies?
Finance,
What are your future plans if you get this job?
carry out my work of property management, sell pieces of land, investments, and break up a piece of land.
What are your future goals or what are your career goals?
Live every day as well as possible.
What do you see as a major success in your life?
Everything I have done in my life seems like success to me. I've learned everything
Why did you leave your last job?
because I had to organize my old age and I was not going to be able to do it with that work.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Here in Girardot, having more economic kids to be able to enjoy more things in life. Now, Olga Lucia, tell us about yourself.
I am a retired teacher. I am from Bogota and I am 59 years old. I live in Girardot and have my family in Bogota and Bucaramanga. I currently work virtually selling my own course. I study advertising, digital marketing, and project management to improve my practices as a seller of digital products.
What motivates you?
I am motivated by my independence. It motivates me to be already retired. I am motivated by my works as a creator and a student of virtual content. It motivates me to do what I am doing for the three I will make through Colombia.
What are your hobbies?
Work, have fun, study and invent academic programs.
What are your future plans if you get this job?
I will work for myself, so my future plans are to make a lot of money and get to know all of Colombia by car.
What are your future goals? Or what are your career goals?
Launch my digital course for sales. Take mommy to Cartagena. Walk around Colombia in van and I have a lot of fun.
What do you see as a major success in your life?
My studies carrying out difficult things to achieve and getting along with mommy.
Why did you leave your last job?
Because I wanted to work independently and work on what I loved most virtually.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Traveling throughout Colombia without working. Thank you, Maria Cristina.
Thank you, Olga Lucia. It was a pleasure.